Learn English with Word In. Sentence 1.
I felt ashamed.
I felt ashamed. Sentence 2.
Faisal fell asleep while talking.
Faisal fell asleep while talking. Sentence 3.
You made me happy.
You made me happy. Sentence 4.
Don't mess with me.
Don't mess with me.